Hi everyone, welcome back to TechWise. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your device is missing important security updates error in Windows 11 using 4 easy methods. So let's get started. First, we need to verify that the Windows Update service is running properly in the background. From your taskbar search, type Services and open it. Select any item from the list and press the W key on your keyboard to jump down to the W section. Let's locate the Windows Update and double-click on it to open it. In the Properties window, change the startup type to Automatic. Click on the Stop to temporarily pause it, and then click on Start to cleanly restart the service. Once that's done, click Apply, then OK, and close out of the Services console. And restart your PC and check to see if the issue has been resolved. If not, let's move on to the next method. Sometimes old corrupted files can block your updates completely. To clear them, let's open Services again, scroll back down to the Windows Update, and let's double click on it. This time, change the startup type to Disabled and click on Stop, followed by Apply. But don't press OK just yet. Now leave this window open and let's launch the File Explorer and navigate to this PC. Then open your C drive and double click on the Windows folder. Scroll down and let's open the folder named SoftwareDistribution. Select every file and folder inside this directory and delete them. If a few files refuse to delete because they are in use, don't worry, just click on Skip. Once you're done, jump back to your Services window, change the startup back to Automatic and click on Apply, and then hit on Start. And finally, click OK. Close all your windows, restart your PC, and see if the update starts installing. If the error still pops up, let's proceed to method 3. For our final method, we're going to fix any corrupted underlying core files using the command prompt. From your taskbar search, type cmd, right-click on the command prompt from the result, and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the prompt. In the command prompt window, let's type sfc /scannow and press Enter. This utility will scan your entire system for integrity issues and automatically repair them. Let the scan run until it hits 100%, then restart your PC one last time. Hopefully, one of these methods get your Windows Update working for you. Let me know in the comments section below which solution did the trick. And as always, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, bye for now.